Alright guys, I want to talk about something on the Gen 2 plastic housings here that is becoming a little bit more of an issue, especially with the higher hour machines or those of you doing mod kits that are potentially having still fuel pressure issues or even stock pump issues and flow issues. So in here, I don't know if you could see it, it's really hard to see. See this little mesh screen in there? There is a fine particulate screen behind this housing here, and it looks like this when you cut it away. So for all you guys taking out your pumps, I would honestly say it's a good idea to bypass this screen because it's going to be a problem in the future. We've done a couple already and it's becoming quite a headache. So all you do is you drill and tap a 1/8 NPT plug in the side of the pump here. We will have a kit for this shortly, and you kind of use tweezers and just break the bag and pull out the pieces you can, just so it gets free flow up to the fuel injectors or inline fuel filter, which you should have on there. So I will position this like this, hold it like this. So here you go, it's right here. So you're going to drill and tap a 1/8 NPT, and the OEM housings are metal. It's a metal mesh. The aftermarkets are this plastic mesh. But either way, get in there and tear it out. Get rid of it because it is an absolute nuisance, especially since it's very difficult to get in and out of the fuel tank there. And it's very time consuming. So do this bypass just for some peace of mind. We will have a kit out shortly, but this will definitely alleviate a lot of headaches and give you that flow back that you're missing with the fuel pump assembly. Look at that in there. Crazy. So here you go. Any questions, reach out to us. We will have a kit shortly.